Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this simple carrot oatmeal fufu to all my girlies who want to lose weight but yet like to eat their favorite meals like fufu, but yet you want a low carb meal that you want to replace. So today I'll be showing you how to make this carrot oatmeal fufu, which is packed with fiber and high in protein as well. So, are you looking for a healthier version of fufu that supports weight loss and digestion? This carrot oatmeal fufu is the perfect alternative for you and your lifestyle. Made with nutrient-rich oatmeal, fresh carrots, and psyllium husk. For the psyllium husk, it's an extra. You can do without it, okay? For extra fiber, I added psyllium husk. This delicacy is easy to make, and it is a great weight management diet and a balanced diet as well. Whether you're trying to cut down calories or improve digestion or simply enjoy a nutritious African delicacy, this fufu recipe is a must try. Watch the full video and learn how to make this step-by-step oatmeal carrot fufu, which is very healthy and packed with fiber. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more healthier recipes like this one you have just seen. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and drop your comments below. This channel, I share my lifestyle, my journey of health and wellness transformation. And if you haven't watched that video before, I link this video to that particular video on my health transformation in general. I started in 2024. If you're wondering why I'm referring you to that particular video, I will just be for the sake of this video, I'm just focusing on the recipe, but I will just be giving a highlight of my journey so far. I started my weight loss journey last year summer, and today almost like 8 months gone. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. I'll be using very high fiber oatmeal, rich with fiber, and you see I'm really trying to show you the specification on this video. And this was the weather of the day, with this kind of cold weather and snowy, and we are in the winter, guys, so you need something like this to cozy up the day. So back to the recipe. I will just be assembling my oats. I will use 2 cups of oats, and then with those 4 carrots, chopped carrots, and then I will add a little bit of psyllium husk. Psyllium husk is just an extra stuff. You can do this particular recipe without psyllium husk. I just added that because I felt like I needed some fiber, because I knew what I ate previously, the previous day. So I wanted something more fibrous in this particular recipe. That is why I added it, to give that stretchiness of this fufu. You can do without it and it will still be perfect and it will be fine, okay? So I added that into my blender, and I added a generous amount of water over it to make it easy to blend. But keep in mind that you don't add too much water, that it makes it too watery, and the fufu would not be watery as well. The goal is to make a perfect mixture, but because it is packed with fiber, even if it is kind of not too watery, it will still be perfect because the ingredients in it is high fiber. So this is the consistency, and it smells so good at this point. So I'll be pouring that and transferring it to my cooking pot, and then start up my cooking stove to high heat. At this point, when it is kind of hot, then I will reduce it to low heat. But at this point, I will just be starting off with high heat on it, and keep your eyes on this and keep stirring. And you can see when it starts generating this lumpiness on the bottom of the pot, take your time and stir and stir. Do not leave the pot, do not leave the arena. Just keep stirring so that you don't have so much lumps when you finish cooking your fufu. All right. So the consistency of the fufu depends on how you would stir and how much water you added into this particular recipe. If you're someone who likes it very hard, you can add lesser water when you're blending and cook without the water as well. It will give you that consistency. Or you add more oats to make it more thicker and the consistency you want. I didn't edit so much on this video because I wanted you to show you how the process is completely so that you can easily follow and make your own delicious, healthy fufu without any doubt. Okay. So at this point, I've just been stirring for a couple of minutes at this point, but the process is very quick. And if you're wondering why you should be standing there and stirring like this, the process is very quick, depending on the kind of stove you're using and the kind of pot you're using as well. So I can't be specific on how much time you're cooking this fufu. The cooking time will depend on your stove and other factors involved in it. So just keep stirring like this and you will get this consistency at this point. You can see it's getting thicker and the color is changing gradually. It is getting this gold color. The gold color is coming from the carrots, and the color as well will depend on the number of carrots you added and the quantity of oatmeal you added. So if you cook yours and it doesn't come out this way, please do not worry. The consistency and the idea still remains the same. High fiber is what we are going for and we are aiming for, and that is what we are going to get. So at this point, you can see how stretchy the fufu is looking with the help of that psyllium husk. It gives that stretchiness, that extra stretchiness. So I added a little bit of water to allow it cook for like 2 to 3 minutes, so it will be completely cooked. So I stirred it for the last time, and your fufu is ready. Now the fufu has been cooking for over 2 to 3 minutes, and I can see that it is fully cooked, and I'll be doing my last stirring, and then the fufu is ready for serving. So you can see the consistency is very cool. Don't worry about whether it is too not that thick for people who want it much thicker. When it cools down, it becomes harder for you to eat. So the idea for me was to be able to get more fiber from this particular recipe, so it will be easy to to relieve the stomach, because I'll be pairing this with vegetables. Look at the consistency. It looks so yummy and delicious. Would you be trying this recipe? If you watched this video up to this point, it therefore means you will love this recipe and you are a fufu lover. Please consider subscribing, join the crew. Here we only share positive vibes. But you can feel free to share your comments down below. Have you been having trouble with fufu? Are you on a weight loss journey, or you're thinking of reducing the amount of the carbohydrate you take, and you still like fufu and you love to eat your fufu? Carbohydrates are not your enemy per se. It's just being smart enough to choose your nutrient-dense carbohydrate that will be very healthy, which has more fiber, and would help speed your metabolism. So, not the one that will be in excess, and then at the end of the day, it will be stored as fat. So that's the idea for this particular fufu like this. I love eating my fufu. I'm an African and I'm proud Cameroonian, and in where I'm coming from, we love eating fufu like this, and this is one of our delicacy in our homeland. But at this point of my weight loss journey, I wanted something like this, and I paired this with my delicious eru. And would you be trying this? You can eat this with okra soup on your weight loss journey. You can eat it with any other thing. You can eat it with a goosey soup, or whatever soup you want to eat with, or whatever thing you want to pair it with. It is just fine. So Thank you. Bye-bye.